On top our tori for today, security na my number one agenda for Nigeria. Presido Buhari tok for Abuja say di success wey dem don achieve unto di way dey take dey fight terrorism dat na di wahala wey Boko Haram dey cause. Say dis one na im be di pipo wey dey attack di northeast and dem wan carry dis kind ginger wey dem put for dis success go oda part of di country wey dey face di security katakata. Buhari tok dis one wen e receive di executive members of Nigerian Medical Association (NMA) wey their Presido Dr. Francis Adedayo Faduyile wey e lead come State House for Abuja. E say dis pipo dey use di security matter wey dey shele for northeast for Naija take dey do bad things for oda part of di country. Buhari tok say many plans dey ground to take improve work matter for di country and better development don dey shele for agricultural sector for di country make youth dem for get better work. And e say for health and education sector make state government and local government dem make dey do better to take support all the plans wey federal government dey do sake of say make the children for fit dey go school. Presido Buhari come talk on top education and health sector say dis one na constitution matter. E come say di almajiris dat na di pipo wey dey go Islamic school, dat na Muslim school dem wey dey di state. E say dis one if dem too plenty, e mean say government no dey follow constitution. E come talk say make all the pipo wey get leg well for di country make dem sabi wetin dem go do to di almajiris dem wey dey Nigeria. President of Nigerian Medical Association Dr. Faduyile come salute Presido Buhari until his second term election, the one wey he win. Say this in return na plans to take tanda with country well for health sector like the cancer center, the one wey dey University of Lagos Teaching Hospital. Faduyile talk say e dey very important make dem make NHIS dey compulsory, dat na the National Health Insurance Scheme. Make e dey for people wey no dey government sector wey no fit afford money for some special treatment like cancer. E tok say make federal government put better body for primary healthcare system and make dey put for ground health bank wey people wey dey work for health sector go fit access loan for facilities dem and make dey pay more attention to security for health sector. Faduyile tok say the budget wey dem put for health from 4% make the federal government make dem try move am go 15%. And then like the style wey President Buhari take dey do on top the employment of the people wey dey carry come health sector. Sake of say Presido dey shook eye well to make sure say the people wey dey employ for the health sector dem sabi the work well. And dem for this sector dem go continue to dey collaborate with the government to make sure say people dey get ogbonge health service for Nigeria. Na here we see am reach on top tori for today for T Live Media. As President Buhari don talk and say security na one of the koko wey make am tanda gidigba as president of Nigeria. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge tori for today wey una hear so na T Live Media na im bring am come for una. And to continue to dey hear all the things wey dey shele for Nigeria, make una no forget to like, follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And I will still follow our page for Facebook for T Live Media.